Hey, how's it going, everyone? Walmart has recently released the ONN 10.1 inch running Android 11. It's still called Gen 2, which I can appreciate because there's really not too many updates here, because this time it comes with Google Kids Space and comes with Entertainment Space as well. So on the back, the specs are actually really similar to last year's, almost identical. The only difference I notice here is that, like I mentioned before, it's running Android 11, but it's the Go edition. One way to tell if you have a new one or a used one is that there's a sticker that comes on top here, and on the bottom too. And the box is the same exact stuff as last year, and probably the year before, where you have the user guide, quick start guide, the tablet itself, and 70% off ebooks, along with a $10 off Walmart code using WowFresh, the wall outlet, which does not have fast charging capabilities, I believe, and a USB Type-C cable. The back of the tablet is textured, so you don't have to worry about this catching fingerprints or anything like that to clean. There's a rear camera on the back. On the front are actually the front-facing speakers, which is always nice to see. On the right side are the volume keys, power button, and then the reset buttons on the bottom. And then on top are two microphones. Kind of interesting to see there's two. So USB-C port and a microSD slot, microSD card slot. Top middle is the front camera, nothing else on the left side. It is kind of thick, but that's to be expected. This is the same body as it was back when I reviewed the first one. Also, can't forget the headphone jack down there. Almost forgot about that, but they still include that. There's not much bloatware that comes with it out of the box. There's 25.97 gigs free. Now, I did not update any of the apps, so once I do, there's going to be a little less. So here's what's new on the tablet. The Entertainment Hub is easy to access from the left side. You just tap it, and now you can watch there's like recommendations on here, stuff you've been watching or had an eye on, and go from YouTube and other apps that you may have, like Disney Plus might show up here too. I think you can adjust this, I believe, depending on what you have playing or what you've been watching. Same with games. You got a couple of games to choose from. The other thing is Kids Space. So I haven't created anything, but this is actually really straightforward to understand, and you can just create an account for your kid, and on here it's going to tell you that you can monitor your kids, like what they use and how much. So right here you can help choose what's okay to explore, buy, and watch, and then also remotely lock the device. Alright, so now I finally got this set up. It takes about 10 minutes, and I'm not sure exactly what's happening here. And this is what the UI comes out to be. Very simple to understand everything, and even if you're not going to pick up on it, your kid's definitely going to pick up on it really quickly. This is where the games are that he or she can download to read, watch videos. You probably need to download, YouTube Kids, you got to download. I'm not going to go over everything on YouTube Kids. I just wanted you to know that this is what exists. Just wanted to show you that that's what's available now in Android 11 in this 2.5 version. Here's what the camera looks like. It's about the same from what it was before, but in case if you didn't watch that video of the previous one, yeah, this one is good enough to take like notes in class or something, because I can read all the words on here except for at the end there. It's a little dark. I think it says tracker. The front camera isn't really anything to be excited about either, but it's there. You messed up because this didn't come out all the way. So you can watch videos at 720p HD, and that's only on YouTube. Other streaming platforms won't work, unfortunately, because this does have a Wi-Fi security of L3, and I feel like Walmart should definitely fix that, just because, you know, it's Walmart's brand, so they better have a good reputation of keeping it up. So anyways, that just means that you're not going to be able to watch videos in HD on places like Disney Plus, Hulu, Netflix, etc. Just YouTube. And the one good redeeming part about this is the front-facing speakers that this has, because it does sound nice. In terms of performance, simple games like this you won't have any problems, but a little bit higher end, especially 3D, you're going to notice some lag here and there. Just browsing the web and everything, you're not going to notice too much lag or too much slowdown. Well, you might actually, depending on what you come from, but it's definitely tolerable for the price. This is probably the most popular kids game, and it's called Roblox, if you don't know. Let's see, just moving around here and there. Oh no, got onto the wrong side. I do notice that there is some lag while the world is kind of like loading up, and when I look around I notice some hiccups here and there. Seems fine right now though, I guess. Kind of a side note, but this is just one reason why 2 GB of RAM is just not enough these days. This game called PGR, normally it's compatible with low-end devices, and it should work with this one too, but we'll see how performance is. So far this seems to run pretty well. There are some noticeable frame rate drops and freezes here and there, especially when you do like a high-end move. But I would say this is the limit as to how much gaming it can handle, because anything higher than this just won't work that well. But for the price, it seems pretty decent. At the time of this video, I really can't think of any other tablet going for 80 bucks at the top of my head, except maybe the Amazon Fire tablet, because I know the Amazon Fire 10 I bought when it was on sale, and it was for I think I did buy it just at $70. So, and that was during like their Amazon Prime Day sale. I'm expecting or hoping that that might come down in price again during Black Friday, possibly December and other times. So I'll link that down below, because that's the only other one I can really think of at the time of this video. So let me know what you guys think, and leave a like if you did find this video helpful, and subscribe if you want to see more. As always, thanks for watching.